You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel?
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't really said anything since, but how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. So anyways, let's jump into this tutorial. So first off, I've primed my eyes with my Snazaro white face paint, and now I'm just going in with my BH Cosmetics 121st edition palette, taking the yellow and applying that as my transition color. Now going into this orange shade, I'm just going to apply this on my crease area, just mainly on my crease area, and I will further blend that orange color into the yellow color, so there is no harsh line. So now I'm just going to go into my Fall in Love palette by Barry M Cosmetics, and I'm just going to take this shade and further deepen out my crease line, so there's this gradient effect running between all the colors. Now to cut my crease, I'm going into my Zaron's Face concealer in light. I'm just using that to cut my crease. Once I'm done with that, I'm going into this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette and taking this shade, I'm just going to apply that on the concealer or the cut crease. I'm applying it wet while it's wet. So now I'm taking this it's like a deep brown maroonish kind of shade, still from that BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette, and I'm just applying this on just solely on my lash line area. I'm not dragging that color up. Then I'm just going to blend the color along my crease line so it just blends seamlessly. So now drawing my wing liner, and I'm extending that wing liner close to the edge of my crease line. Then taking this black eyeshadow, I'm just going to further blend out that color so it's not so harsh and it's not so deep. So now onto my face, I'm going to take this foundation. This is the Flawless Ivory Foundation. I have a review on this foundation coming up on my channel, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Then now, after blending that foundation, I'm going to highlight with my black opal highlighter. After highlighting, I'm going to set my under eye with my black opal in neutral light. This is the translucent powder in neutral light. Once I'm done setting my eye, I'm just going to dust off all that powder, all that setting powder with my black opal powder in medium brown. Then to contour, I'm going into this black opal powder 2 in ebony brown. I'm just going to use that to contour the perimeters of my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set my face with my Nuban Beauty Seal It Setting Spray. Once my face is done, I'm just going to go back into the eyes to line my lash line. I'm using this black opal precision pencil in licorice. I'm going to just draw out like a cat's eye in front and then use that to line my waterline. Once I'm done lining my waterline, because I wanted something extra, I'm taking this glitter and I'm just going to pop it just right underneath that cat eye, just to kind of give that some definition. Then I smoked out the eyeliner that I put on my lash line. So now on to highlight. I'm just going to use this Usher's Baked blush to highlight. Like, this has become my new favorite blush and it's so inexpensive. Like, guys, oh, you're in Nigeria, don't sleep on this brand. Now taking this bronzer from NYX Cosmetics. I use it as a blush actually, so I'm just going to apply that. Sorry guys, my video is getting dark. It was about to rain and I just did not have any strength to stand up and go and put on my ring light. So but I will still put on the ring light later on after I knew that okay, this wasn't working anymore. But anyways, now I'm off to doing my hair. So I pre-gelled my hair with my eco styler before, that's why I had the scarf on. So now I'm just taking some bobby pins and this curly wig that I have, and I'm just going to pin that around the bun that I have on. I'm actually going to do like a hair update, like share with you guys, because I think my natural hair is actually growing and I've been using a brand that I think I need to share with you guys, because I really noticed a significant growth in my hair ever since I started using the brand. But anyways, I'm just going to pin that wig on and take some and tie it. Then to further blur out the bald spots on the front part of or the sides of my hair, I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and just basically stipple the black eyeshadow just on the sides of my hair where my hair is sparse, then blend it out. So now taking for my lips, since the eyes are super dramatic, I didn't want anything heavy on my lips, so I'm going with this lip gloss from Cage Cosmetics and it's in the shade Pink Diamond. Then I'm going on top of that lip gloss with my Usher's highlighter. And so guys, this is the finished look. I had put on my ring light at this point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.